You can see the cheese bursting through this one. So I went ahead and I did the dough and the meat overnight. So you know we have to make the pot hot. You know we have to make the pot hot. And you know the oven. To add the oil, I'm using some coconut oil. I mean it's almost finished, but it will do. This meat cook for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
While the turkey is cooking, let's finish the dough.
I'm flooring the surface as well as the pin. I think from this dough I can get probably about 4 or so patties. The meat is kneading. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little browning to it to give it a little more color, so it's not so white. And then I'm gonna cover it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I am not a baker. I really just like the kitchen sometimes. I really love to cook. When it comes to baking, I mean it's a little shaky. But let's see how this will go. I'm here. I'm trying. Let's see how it will go. So now I have the dough partially ready. The turkey cooking. The oven is being heated. Let's see how this will go. Wait up. Are you still here at this moment? If you are still here, thank you for tuning in to Blooming by Grace with me, Daniel Freckleton. Today we're in the kitchen. And girl, the kitchen hot. The kitchen is hot. The heat is on in the kitchen. What does Thanksgiving mean to you? Gratitude is a must. Give thanks to the Most High God, because despite the challenges, despite the hardships, despite whatever, God is still good. Continue watching. The meat is just about finished. So what I'll do now, I'll go ahead and I'll cut the dough. So that's done. I think I can get 4 out of it. This is 1 right there. 2. I'm finished greasing the pan. I used some oil and just grease it, just to ensure that the patties don't stick to the pan. Okay. And fold. You have to ensure that you use a fork or something that can press the edges together so that the meat doesn't fall out of the patty. So I'm using a fork for my edges. Just to close it and ensure that it's good. Then I'm going to use the fork to lift up the patty and put it in the pan. I mean, it's not that bad after all. It look like it'll come out, man. It'll go on with itself, people. The patties so far, let's pray they come out well. It's going with itself. So this is patty number 2. Now I'm going to baste the patties with some oil. So now they are ready for the oven. Let's see how them come out. Let's see how them come out. Watch your teeth. I mean, guys, they are not in the best of shape, but let's see how they come out. I know they're gonna taste good. They might not look good, but they are gonna taste good. They are ready. Alright, guys, so the patties are finished. Listen, testing time, right? Testing time. It's dry, to be honest, but nice. You can see the cheese bursting through this one. It's hot. It's hot. Nice, nice. I'm going to myself. Listen, this patty. It is nice. It's nice. Nice. I mean, they were not of the best shape, but it come right out. Come to my mouth. It's pretty nice, guys. It's nice. I mean, it never come out as, you know, you have that idea in your head like, you have the idea of how patty supposed to look. It never look that way, but let me tell you, it's nice. You, yes, you are never too dirty for God to cleanse. You are never too broken for God to mend. You are never too far for God to reach or too guilty to fall at His feet. So remember, no matter where you are, no matter who you are, we are all here and we are blooming by grace. See you next time.